Multiple pregnancy. One of the complications of multiple pregnancy is TTTS, that is twin to twin transfusion syndrome. So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Ayurved Medical. Let's get started with one of the complications of multiple pregnancies, that is TTTS, that is twin to twin transfusion syndrome. So, it is a condition that may occur in identical twins or higher multiple pregnancies like the duplets, triplets, quadruplets. The disease results when blood passes disproportionately between one baby and another through connecting blood vessels in their shared placenta. The babies are normal, the abnormalities are in the placenta. Okay? So as you can see here in the image, there is a case of twin to twin transfusion syndrome. The donor twin, the donor twin, and the recipient twin. So the donor twin is much smaller in size and is often called the stuck twin. The baby is getting too little blood because half of the blood that is supposed to be getting is going to the other twin. The baby is not getting very much blood and is therefore not urinating much. Because of this, there is very little fluid in their amniotic sac when born. It is often the donor twin who does better because their hearts are not as tired. Their heart had it easy. The heart had not been overexerting itself to pump any extra blood. It did not have to pump much blood at all. A donor twin born prematurely looks like TTTS syndrome, recipient unbalanced shunt flow, and the donor recipient fetal complications are polycythemia, hypertension, polyuria, polyhydramnios, circulatory overload, heart failure, hydrocephalus, and fetal demise. The donor fetal complications are anemia, hypotension, oliguria, oligohydramnios, circulatory insufficiency, growth restriction, renal failure, and fetal demise. In both the cases, fetal demise is common. So this disease, where the recipient has polyhydramnios and the donor has oligohydramnios, so this condition is also, this syndrome is also known as poly syndrome. Polyhydramnios, oligohydramnios syndrome. So how is TTTS detected? TTTS is detected through an ultrasound, that is sonography. It is critical to have routine ultrasounds during your pregnancy with multiples. It is also essential to look for differences in the weight of the babies and to watch closely to make sure that there are no drastic changes in the weight of the baby. Antenatal management in all these cases: diet, additional 300 kilocalorie per day, increased protein, 60 to 100 mg of iron, and 1 mg of folic acid extra to be provided to the mother. So that since folic acid is essential for the formation of placenta, so it is done. Increased rest, frequent and regular antenatal visit, fetal surveillance by ultrasonography every 4 weeks, hospitalization, corticosteroids only in preterm labor. Preterm labor is a condition where the baby does not survive, baby does not go up to 37 weeks. There is a preterm labor. And birth preparedness. TTS treatment, how the treatment works. The procedure involves the use of laser to burn the connection between the two babies connecting blood vessels in the placenta. This separates the circulation between the two babies. As you can see here in the image, the laser is used to separating the connections between the two babies. Okay. So here is on the left there is an image of normal twin anatomy, and there is a TTTS anatomy. So yeah, that's all about the twin to twin transfusion syndrome, and it is only one complication that we had discussed. We will discuss more of the complications and about multiple pregnancies in our upcoming videos. So do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.